Did you see that lad? It's number 808 out there, next to that wanker. He's from Yeovil, you know. He was trying to be professional, but kept chuckling. Is this gendarme ready?
I'm ready. Back in petrol, for fuck's sake.
Ready, Steve?
It's a first.
Yeah. Who has? And remember, have a safe journey.
Yes.
Jesus, mind that bloody pothole there.
That's not a fucking pothole. That's a sinkhole.
It's another fucking universe.
You were thinking of going in, Nigel. I know you were. Okay. Oh, is that diesel all over the fucking road?
Yes, just spilled out me GS.
Careful, because your centre line on your tyre looks a bit waxy.
Who's mine?
Yours, yeah. Well, you can't ask much more from a quick pit stop, can you? Fuel, a drink, a piss,
A Kit Kat and a caramel.
a Kit Kat, caramel, and some punani.
And some piss takery.
Go past if you want, Steve.
Now you know what I have forgot to bring? Some Tour de Faff stickers.
That fucking Joe don't shut up, does he?
No.
I thought I could fucking talk.
I'm just waiting for a topic that I know anything about.
Pink soiled gunties?
If you want to, if you want to.
He said you're dragging my intelligence down to an unknown fucking level. He says, how you fucking commoners communicate?
If you want to know how a three-phase squirrel cage induction motor works, I can explain it.
We'll have you swearing like a by the time you go home,
You
Joe.
fucking will.
There is a bit of a bridge gap between soiled underpants and three-phase electrics. We'll see if we can meet in the middle, Joe, but I can't guarantee it.
Could try and overtake a few, Nige.
Say
Could try
again.
and overtake a few. Get past them.
Cadbury's! Cadbury's chocolate! Look at it, Cadbury's!
I just got a wide on.
Dairy milk. Joe, did you say you're coming by?
No, why? Do you want to? By where?
Oh no, I thought you said you were going to overtake.
No.
No, he said you can try
I
and
said
overtake
you can try and get past these cars.
Oh, I
They're
see.
spoiling the ride.
Right. You haven't got to say that twice. Can you remember this was the world's slowest ambulance passed us on this road? And I turned in to bust a blood vessel.
Why have I got visions of that James Bond with the fucking oyster wagon? That's because Granny McQuiver's fucking driving it. That'll be that then.
Yes.
Wait for me, Nige.
Hey?
Wait for me.
Don't do
Right,
it!
we got a dickhead, look, we got a dickhead.
So,
Never mind, he'll move over and just let us glide through.
Nigel's thinking he's having it.
It's a filly. I didn't say it was a nice one.
Oh.
You fucker, you.
Now, does Joe know he's unleashed the beast?
Who's unleashed the beast? Nice.
Yeah,
Tell you, it's brightening up.
it is. Might have to switch my heating jacket off. I haven't got it on.
You got heated gloves on, Nick?
Just
I'm
just
not
remember
even
there's a
wearing
bend
it.
up here.
Just remember there's a bend up here as I go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah, got cars coming and a junction. Trouble is, someone's got to keep Nige in sight, otherwise he'll fucking disappear. Yeah, well, I'm not wiping his ass again.
That's all right. I've learned to do it along the carpet like a dog does. Do the crab.
Sorry, Joe.
Oh,
Should we talk about balancing your phases? Right, he's looking to let me by, but I can't see.
Yeah,
he's
and
gonna-
this bastard, these are fucking solid whites here, Nick, you're coming into.
Yeah, I'm in before the line.
That's nice. Cool, bloody hell.
Yeah, that is nice, isn't it?
Nice view too, isn't it? Look.
Yeah.
Cool, very nice. Looks like they've added on and added on. Yes.
See, knowing Nige, you'd have one of those front bedrooms converted to a large throne room toilet with big patio glass doors, so he can sit on the bog,
Sit on the throne.
looking out over the countryside.
Taking in the view while curling down a Mr. Whippy. Is that not a subject you're au fait with as well, Joe?
What was that?
I don't blame him for just tuning out. You can see, Joe, this is why I only average 58 to the gallon.
Yeah. Well, I've not done over 60 miles an hour so far, so I'm doing all right.
No. Clear.
Still clear.
Fucking Barry Sheen's off.
Look at that. Focus is over
Car
car coming. Barry Sheen.
You see, you don't have to predict if Nigel's going to overtake. You just look, you think, is it feasible? Not really, therefore he's going.
Car coming.
Right, should be in for much better views up the Mynd than last time.
I need
Don't say that too quickly.
before we
Yeah,
go.
probably thick, low cloud,
Before we go over there, I want
ice on the
to turn
ground.
my rear camera on.
Yeah, I'll stop it before we go up over
Yeah.
the Mynd because I want to extend my
Pole.
See, I knew he was going to go then.
Well, yeah, because there's a bend coming up.
Yeah, and I'm getting fucking pelted with
You're
stones.
clear. You are clear. Still clear. Still clear. Clear, 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 clear.
I'm through.
Yeah, keep out of the centre of the lane. I've got a shower of fucking stones.
How long's camera's been on? Do we know? Because you don't want them running out up over the Mynd.
No, we
That's
don't.
for sure.
Still gonna ask his. Yeah,
Shall we stop before we go up over?
yeah.
We'll stop near that house near the gate. Right,
Right,
turn,
right,
Clyde.
right,
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 turn. Just mind, because they fucking do come rather quickly.
Fucking dusty, isn't it?
Yeah. And gritty. Car coming. Fucking knew it. Go on, pull over there, you knob job. And another one going like a fucking Egypt. There you go. It's going to be busy in a day like this.
Probably.
So you've got a choice of the gritty, loose stuff in the middle, or another
Yeah.
a horrible camber each side that takes you into ruts.
Yeah. which if you try to put your foot down, you'll fucking go down over there.
Yeah.
Twig in the middle. Branch, whatever you want to call it.
Log.
This isn't the Mynd yet, Joe.
That's all right. Not far though, is it?
No. No, another 5 minutes, you'll be there. Well, not even that, is it?
No.
Yeah.
Either that, or you'll be waiting for the air ambulance.
What about stopping on that bit here, look?
Alright. I was going to say, worst
That
case,
might-
you get to the top of that section and there's the pull-off area.
Can you all get in? Go forward slightly, I suppose.
I'm all right. I'm in.
Iddy.
Giddy, I'm in.
We stopping for a minute or?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can do the batteries. So that they don't run out halfway over the Mynd. And here we see faffers in the wild.
Yeah, but is your power going into the power bank?
Faffers. Doing what faffers do.